Hi, Steve here, answering your questions about B2B copywriting. And I have a great question here from Darcia. And Darcia asks, should I write for a company whose products I don't really understand? Products are perhaps a bit technical or complex, and I don't really get the products. Well, that's a common situation for B2B writers because we're dealing with products and services that are used by other businesses rather than used by individuals, by consumers. So it's not uncommon to come across products that we may initially be unfamiliar with. Well, first of all, Darcia, don't walk away from that opportunity if you have an opportunity like that. Because there's something I want you to keep in mind. And this is a very important mindset to be in when you're talking to a potential client that has a product or service that maybe intimidates you a bit, that's a bit complex. You're not writing the technical manual. You're not the technical writer. You're the copywriter. So you're writing about what the product is, what it does, how it benefits the customer. That's what you're writing about. And you don't need a lot of heavy technical knowledge to do that, even when you're writing about a technical product. Now, I got a tip for you. What you can do is when you're speaking with your client, ask your client if they have any information, if they have any brochures, and particularly PowerPoint slides that are designed to educate lay people. Often what will happen is that your client will have a PowerPoint presentation or some other document that's designed to educate a layperson on their products. Ask if they have that, and then you can review that and very quickly get a basic understanding of the product, what it does, and how it benefits the customer. Because that's all you really need to know. What the product is, what it does, and how it benefits the customer. Then you can start writing about that product. Then you can start writing persuasive copy about that product. So don't walk away from these opportunities. When you're encountering a potential client that has a product or service that's a bit complex or intimidating or involved, consider jumping in. If you learn about that type of product or service, then you have a topic specialty now that may help you get other clients in the same field. So it's very valuable knowledge to have anyway. So jump in, don't be intimidated. Go for those types of projects. They may end up being fantastic clients for you. So great question, Darcia, and good luck with that opportunity.